Russia's latest Buk M3 surface-to-air missile systems are being tested in the area of the special military operation in Ukraine, demonstrating their excellent performance. The Buk M3 is a medium-range combat air defense system. It is designed to take on maneuverable aerodynamic targets, engage radio-contrast ground targets, and hit naval targets under intensive enemy fire and jamming. Russian forces have been using this air defense missile system to neutralize various airborne threats in Ukraine. It was first spotted in Ukraine, fighting against Ukrainian forces in March 2022. The head of the Military Political Analysis Bureau, Alexander Mikhailov, told the Russian state-run media that the special military operation is a testing ground where the teams of combat equipment strike at actual targets rather than the practice ones. The expert signaled that the weapon system has already demonstrated its full combat capabilities in Ukraine. As the enemy employs new tactics and strategies, Russian personnel raise their qualitative level, cope with new objectives and improve their military skills, Mikhailov added. He emphasized that upgrading the Ukrainian Army's Buk M1 anti-aircraft missile systems to the Buk M3 model employed by Russian forces is exceptionally challenging. He continued that the resources required to do this task will cost more than developing the new modification. Russian media claimed that the Buk M3 is unrivaled globally and virtually twice as effective as its previous iterations, thanks to its new missile. In October 2016, the Russian military received its first Buk M3 anti-aircraft missile system. The air defense system is offered in various configurations, including the ship-borne Shtil, SHTIL-1, Uragan weapons, and the Viking land-based export variant. Russia's Buk M3 air defense missile system. The Buk M3 is meant to intercept various aerodynamic targets, including cruise missiles. The new anti-aircraft missile system has improved control, a better anti-blast defense system for the crew, and a larger chassis carrying more missiles than earlier models. The Buk M3, used since about 2016, uses modern 9M317M missiles and electronic components to offer significantly better capabilities than the previous Buk systems. The system can even outperform the outdated S-300P long-range air defense system, according to the U.S. Army Training and Doctrine Command (TRDOC) manual. The Buk M3 has a 43-mile maximum engagement range and a 1.5-mile minimum effective range, TRDOC noted. It can travel at a maximum altitude of 115,000 feet and engage targets moving at speeds of up to 6,700 miles per hour, albeit the latter capability is more theoretical than operational. Furthermore, the system has excellent maneuverability due to its armored tracked chassis, making it appropriate for escorting armored columns or other mobile military vehicles. In the ongoing war, the Buk M3 is also being used to form a complex, multi-layered air defense network in conjunction with long-range S-400 SAM systems to keep the Ukrainian Air Force on the ground or otherwise destroyed in the air while simultaneously covering Russian advances on the ground.